Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Nvidia rallied to record highs with the artificial intelligence chip maker's valuation breaching the $3 trillion mark and overtaking Apple to become the world's second most valuable company. The Bank of Canada trimmed its key policy rate, the first G7 country to do so, in a widely expected move that will ease pressure on highly indebted consumers, but indicated further easing would be gradual and dependent on data. Mining firm Marathon Digital has sold over 60% of all Bitcoin it has mined since the halving took place in late April. According to Marathon's monthly report, it sold 390 Bitcoin, representing more than 63% of its 616 BTC production during the month.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's factory orders will be released at 6 GMT, Australia's exports at 1:30 GMT, Japan's overall household spending at 23:30 GMT. Australia's trade balance will be released at 1:30 GMT, the US unit labour costs at 12:30 GMT, the US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.